I wasn't planning to share this, but too many people keep asking how I'm unlocking Temu free gifts so fast. So here it is. I'm exposing the exact Temu free gift hack I use. And yes, it's 100% working right now. Before we start, the working free gift code is right here on screen, and it's also in the description and the pinned comment. Plus, a couple bonus codes I added because Temu rotates these constantly. Okay, here's the part that almost everyone gets wrong. The Temu free gift event does not activate by itself. If you don't enter a fresh code, the progress bar never appears. And without the progress bar, you're basically stuck. Here's what you really need to do. Open the Temu app scroll until you see Free Gift. Tap it and wait for the code box. Enter the code from the screen or copy it from below. The moment you do that, your secret progress bar pops up. That's what unlocks everything. Now Temu gives you a few quick tasks. Browsing a deal, tapping categories, checking a new item. Nothing complicated. Each tap fills your bar, and when it hits 100%, your free item unlocks instantly. No referrals, no fake steps, no endless missions. Just the updated code plus a few quick taps. And yes, I tested this on a fresh account today. It took me under 3 minutes to unlock a pair of earbuds worth $200. Zero cost, zero shipping, zero catch. If the code on your screen doesn't work anymore, don't worry. I always keep the description updated with the newest working codes. So go try it while it's active. The code is on the screen again. And when you unlock something crazy, comment what you got. Because I love seeing the wild stuff people manage to claim.